In this video, I'll show how to see sensitive content on X previously known as Twitter. Alright, so here we are on the app, and all we got to do is come to the top left corner and click on our profile picture, and then scroll down, and at the bottom click on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little more and then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're on the settings page here, just click on Privacy and Safety, and then you want to click on the third option down content you see. And then now on this page, we need to do two things. You first want to tick on Display Media that may contain sensitive content, and then once you do that, you want to come down and click on Search Settings, and then you want to turn off Hide Sensitive Content. Now you should be able to view sensitive content on X without any sort of filters. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much for watching the video and subscribe our channel to get new videos.